Hello viewers. So today I am going to show you the welding unit which I am using for my projects. There it is. It is basically a Chinese made spot welding unit, and price wise it is very affordable as compared to those made in USA and other countries like Orion and some others, but this is doing well in my projects. So let's see. Okay, there is a forceps and alligator clamp which we have to connect to the object. The body of the unit is basically metal. The sides are not plastic. Okay, the unit is basically 9.5 inches tall, so you could understand that how big it is as compared to the other units like Orion and few others. The length is 11 inches. Yes, 11 inches, and width is 6 inches. It also comes with a electrode sharpening grinder, mini grinder. Yes. With a diamond cutting disc attached. Focus. Yes. It has a USB connection. There it is. So let's turn it on. I am using a power bank to turn it on, but see, it does not have any power switch, which I wish if it would have. Anyway, I am using a power bank. Little box. It has electrodes and collets. This is half milli electrode. And for thicker jobs, 1 millimeter electrodes. It comes with 5 of each, half millimeter and 1 millimeter, and 5 collets, 5 or 6 collets. There is also a regulator. Yes, regulator. For argon gas, one hose is attached to the back of this unit, which I will show you in a couple of minutes. So this is a 6 mm hose, which will be connected to this side. It is also mentioned 6 here, and the other is 8 mm, which will be connected to a argon gas tank regulator. We will press this inward and pull the hose like this. Currently the 0.5 mm electrode is connected. It has a spring made of aluminum, I think. Let me show you the back side of this unit. This is a power cable connection, and this is a power button. This is argon hose. So I have seen that the more newer model has a outlet for connection for the mini electrode grinder as well. So that is a good option. let's attach the the base of the stand of a welding handle is in plastic material. Let's turn the unit on. There are 5 settings: Ortho, Titan, Hybrid, CO-CR and AU. AU is gold, obviously, the first one. This is a power, and this is time in MS. Power from 1 to 10 is maximum, and time in MS is 30. It can reach 30 ms. This is obviously for very heavy work. If we have to weld the gold, then the setting is this. AU. Titan is titanium. Ortho. For the copper or brass jobs, it needs a bit more power, so usually when I weld the brass 18 gauge, so I put the power to 9 and time in ms to 21 or 24. So I have welded a couple of these globes. You could see. Focus. Yes, focus. See, this is 20 gauge. It is heavy. I have welded with this. You could see. Focus. Yes. The weld is very strong, on stainless steel. Even try to break it, it is impossible. It is very strong. It is working very good on stainless steel. Let's see how much it weighs. Okay, let me bring a weight scale and we will see what is the weight of this unit. Five kg, 300 grams. This is heavy.